Hello everybody, my name is Laksh and you're watching LM Tech. And today in this video I will be showing you 10 very helpful and interesting websites that you should all know about. Also before starting, I would like to thank you all for the overwhelming response on my Aces VivoBook review. The video has over 10,000 views and that's amazing. So thank you once again. And I also request you to subscribe to LM Tech and also turn on the post notifications. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First on the list, we have VirusTotal.com. So basically what this website does is that it scans a document for any malicious files using almost all of the antivirus programs, like about 60. So as you can see, I have uploaded a PDF file and now the website has started looking around for any sort of viruses or malicious content. So after scanning, you can see that the result is displayed and in this case the file is completely safe. So this website can be really useful when you suspect an unknown file or when your antivirus software just can't detect anything. This website can also do the same thing with a URL. So like if someone sends you a link and you're hesitant to open it, you can just copy and paste the link into VirusTotal and the result shall be clear. In this case, the website I have entered is a spam website. Next on the list, we have Panzoid.com. Panzoid has 3 utilities: backgrounder, video editor and clip maker. For this video, we will focus on clip maker. Panzoid is an amazing website to make intros and outros and has thousands of templates for the same. For this video, I have selected this template, so let me show you how you can customize it. Here you can press the I button to preview a video. So in order to change the text, we need to click on the cube icon at the left menu bar. After you've done that, go through the list of objects and find the text option. Then you just simply enter your own text in both the fields. And voila, your intro is ready. Panzoid is completely free and the videos have no watermark. You can customize the template of your choice using the same method. Now in order to download your video, click on the download icon at the left menu bar. Then select the quality. Let's just go for balanced and choose the format as .mkv. And then click on render video. After rendering, the intro will be downloaded. Next up, we have JustWatch.com. JustWatch.com is a complete streaming guide. The main use is that it tells you on which streaming platform is a particular movie or a TV show currently streaming on. Say I would like to know that where is the movie Skyscraper streaming. So I just search it in and it will show me the platform it is on. So as you can see, Skyscraper is streaming on Netflix. You also get to see additional information like the genre and the ratings. Next in the list, we have RenderForest.com. Using RenderForest, you can make logos, websites, graphics, and the best of all, logo reveal. RenderForest has an amazing collection of customizable logo reveal templates, so we can just call it a bit better than Panzoid. So you can just choose any one template from the amazing collection. So let's just select this one. Looks pretty cool. Now just select create now. And here you can just drop in your own logo. You can crop it too according to your needs. And then when you're done, press OK. Now you just type in your own text. And wow, you can see how your logo looks now. To go to the next level, you can also change the style and the music according to your needs. After you're done, just click on preview. However, for free you get a watermark and low 360p quality. We will talk about the pricing a bit later in the video. And after processing your video, it will be ready to download. So let's see what it looks like. So now let's talk about the pricing. There are 4 plans. You can just pause the video and take a deeper look. Or if you don't want a plan, you can just pay per product. Like I can just make one video and pay for it. Next we have Convertio.co. Convertio is a file format converting website. Say I have a video but I would like to take out the audio from it and play it as a .mp3 or an audio file. So you can do that with Convertio. You just drop in the video and select your desired file format. Let's go for .mp3. And after converting, you can download the audio into your computer. You can also convert document files like PDF to docx or the Word file, or XML or an Excel file to PDF, and a lot more. Similarly, I can also convert between image files. So let's take this PNG image and convert it into JPEG. Follow the same steps and click on convert. And here you go, .png has been converted to JPEG. How easy is that? Next we have Ilofpdf.com. Ilofpdf.com has a plethora of tools for PDF files. This website can come in very handy if you work with a lot of PDF files. This website is completely free, so using this website you can merge PDFs, compress it if you think its file size is too large, you can convert it into various file formats, you can add passwords and whatnot. So using Ilofpdf.com, let's add a password to a PDF. Click on protect PDF file, then import one and type in the password. Then you can download your password protected PDF file. This feature can come in very handy if you work with confidential or personal information. So as you can see, we are prompted to enter the password. To demonstrate, let's convert a PDF file into an image or a .jpeg. You can also do this with Convertio.co. So select your PDF and click on convert, and your PDF file is now an image file. Next on the list we have Pexels.com. So Google Images is not the best way to find photos for a project or any sort of commercial use, as the photos are not in good quality or are copyright protected. So instead, Pexels.com is an amazing website where you can find high quality copyright free images and videos to use either for commercial or private use. There is an amazing collection of high quality photos and videos. The photos and videos have no watermark and the site is completely free. You can use photos and videos from Pexels on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook and any other social media site. And you also do not need to give any credits. Now we have Dictation.io. Dictation.io is a very simple website but can come in handy anytime. This website is a speech-to-text converter, so I can just dictate anything and the website converts it into text with accuracy.
Like the video.
Here you can see some tools like copy, paste, email, share and clear. And at the top there are some text formatting tools. So this website will surely reduce your typing time. Now we have Adobe Spark. Adobe Spark is a very simple website where you can create Instagram posts, Instagram stories, YouTube thumbnails and banners. You can create greeting cards, menus, invitations and a lot more. There is a huge collection of ready-made templates that you can use. Adobe Spark is super user-friendly and easy to use. Last but not the least, we have systemrequirements.com. Have you ever wondered that will your computer support a particular game? I'm sure you have. Now to solve this confusion, we have systemrequirementslab.com. First you search for a game that you would like to run on your computer. I have searched for Fortnite. Then you can click on Can you run it? Then you will see the website has downloaded a software that will detect the hardware of your machine. After scanning, you will see the results. In this case, you can see that my laptop fulfills the minimum requirements but not the recommended, as the graphics card is a bit focused on non-gaming tasks. So thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful or learned about a new website, it would be great if you could subscribe and hit the like button so that I can bring to you more helpful and interesting tech videos. My name is Laksh and I will see you in the next one.